What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a 2013 Nissan Altima. If you have a Nissan Altima or any other Nissan has the same setup here and you need to replace the battery, okay, you need to do a few things. Okay, one, you don't want to lose memory on the idle speed, the throttle body. So there's a way you could backfeed the power to the computer so everything stays alive. But I have a different method. Okay, I've been doing it for a long time and it's been working out for me. Anyways, we have a battery here. Customer brought me this battery. Cold cranking amp on this one is 640, and Napa, the Legend, that's the battery the guy provided me. Cranking amps at 32 degrees, 785. At 0 degrees, 640. And Napa number right there, 7535. But to replace this battery, what you need to do is you need to take off this terminal and this terminal. Before you do this terminal, I want to show you a few things. Okay, we're gonna do it all together. We're gonna take off the bracket before anything. After that, we're gonna start up the engine, let the engine run. Do not let this positive touch anywhere, okay? Just stick it to the side here. Don't even let it touch. If this is metal, do not let it touch, okay? Negative comes off, and we'll take out the battery. But before that, let's take off this the bracket for the battery. So we're gonna take off this bolt, not completely, but just this one's gonna come off completely. We're losing this one up. And we're gonna take off this one right here, and this whole plate should come off. Okay, so let's take this little guy off. I'm gonna take this off completely. Let's put it somewhere safe. And don't let this pin fall down. Let's take off this side. I'm gonna take it off completely as well. Somebody lubricated this really good. And we're gonna take off this little bolt right there. And once that one come off, and everything is going to be loose. As you can see, this whole bracket comes out. The hook falls down. But let's put this to the side. Now we're ready to take off this battery. To take out this battery, you need to remove this, loosen up this number 10 here and number 10 here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start up the car so we don't lose any memory on the engine itself. Okay, loosen this up, and this one, I need a wrench for this one right here. Okay, number 10 millimeter right here, and we're gonna loosen up the positive terminal, which looks not so good. All right, so once this is loose, you should be able to wiggle this off, and we're gonna let this thing just sit to the side there. This thing comes off. And there goes my wrench. I'm gonna have to get that out before anything. Okay, my tool went down and fell on the ground. Try not to put your tools up on the top, but let's remove this battery. All right, before you remove the battery, you could take off this plastic cover around the battery. All right, then it's gonna be a little bit easier for you once this is done. Okay, now we can take out the battery. And once we have the battery, this little guy went down too. Try not to put nothing on the top. Anyways, here comes the battery. Once you have your battery in, take this cover. Do put this cover in, it protects the battery. All right, let's put the negative on, and then we put the positive on. This is pretty much done, okay guys? And tighten up the positive. And also the negative. Make sure nothing is loose. This guy put a lot of greasing on it. I like that. But anyways, this is pretty much done. So next thing what we need to do is put the bracket on. So remember, the hook on this corner If you could look down there, you should be able to see where the hook attaches to. Okay, once you have your hook in, you're gonna take this little guy. Just try not to let it go, because as soon as you let it go, it's gonna try to fall down. Or you can push the battery up against it. There you go. Let's put this in. Let's take the little nut. And that's how you're gonna successfully change the battery on this little guy. Don't forget to put the nut on this end and both ends. And don't forget to put the number 10 into this bracket over here. Tighten everything up and you're all done, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. We'll see you on the next one. Lock everything up.